Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Hack. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to listen to music when you're playing on your PlayStation 5. And this is actually really easy to do. So you can open up a game, and then you can start listening to music as you play it. Press the PlayStation button, and then scroll on down. And you should be able to find this little music icon. All you have to do is select it, and then you can go ahead and listen to your Spotify playlists under here. So I had my playlist right here, so if I select this, it's going to be all like Sabaton right here, so I can listen to Skillet and Ghost and other things when I'm playing. So you just have to select it, and then it's going to start playing. Then you have all these different options under here, and it's going to update Spotify. So if we don't have Spotify, we'll need to go ahead and get this if it's not showing up, but you can change the track really easily, and you can go through this entire thing. So let's back out now, and then it's going to give you like featured stuff on PlayStation, game and music, music sources. We have Spotify right here. So I believe you can just come to this section, and then you can get Spotify. Otherwise, if you don't already have it, go to the home screen, and then just go to the search icon, and just type in Spotify. And it'll be S-P-O-T, and it should show up. And I believe this is how you spell it, right here. Alright, then go ahead and get this application, open it up, start it, and then you can sign in, and you can listen to music through the application as well. So if you don't want to go to that icon, it says notifications during videos, I believe, are muted, and then you can find something on here. So you can see the sound or the music that I started before is now playing under here, but we can add stuff to our playlist. We can search for stuff. We can go to my library right here and select this, and this is what I have under here. So I got some Goo Goo Dolls, and I got some Tom Petty and Imagine Dragons. So I'll have to add more stuff to this. But it's very easy to listen to music when you're playing on your PlayStation. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.